you're in Phoenix, they're in a different market. Like, what is that dynamic? Because I actually don't know when you guys do the cross collaborations. I know you do a lot of work with Stan too, and so you've got like a multifaceted partnership thing happening.
We do. And that's one thing I really love about Colliers is they really try to elevate that playing field. And what we found is, yes, the national platforms are amazing. We all love that you can hit 500 million people with every item and you've spent the money on the infrastructure, but nobody likes it as an investor when you come into town and the broker gets off a plane from California and says, gosh, I've never been here before. This place is great. Did you see the airport? Like, oh my God, they have Fox concepts. And you're going, wait a minute. You don't know anything about this property. So what we figured out and what Elle really came up with was this kind of thought process is strategic partner. Let me partner with the guys who are the local experts. And luckily for me, he thought to himself, let me bring on a guy who wants to get into capital markets, who's a leasing expert, because the tenant is kind of very key. And I'm so tied in with that, with having as many landlord side listings as we have. Knowing the market, it isn't like I'm looking it up.